to experience a sudden drop in temperature here in the Midwest. Today being Sunday morning, and you can already feel it in the air, but yeah, it's supposed to get really bad. And I'm forecasting that a bunch of people's trucks are 9 times out of 10 going to jail. Right when I started my truck up, it being about 5:15 a.m., I came over purposely to run the truck because I don't want my truck to jail. But something that I noticed, my ABS light, which it does this when it's extremely cold, you can hear it flicking on and off. And it'll do that until I actually drive the truck a couple blocks. So that's a tall tale sign that the temperatures get crazy already. You definitely want to make sure that you got good additive in your tank right now, and not just half of a bottle, but you want to get at least a whole bottle in there. And the more fuel that you place into your truck, the more additive that you need to add as well. Oftentimes you might need to get 2 bottles of these. Right now I'm getting this for about $15 a bottle, but I know places where they'll charge you in upwards of $25 for the same bottle of energy. Once I actually get the truck warmed up to the proper temperature, then I'm gonna run it over to the fuel station and fuel up. I wanted to get fuel after my run earlier this morning, but I was honestly just dead dog tired, and I told myself I'm not stopping today. Normally I try not to leave the truck without at least a half a tank, but in some situations things happen. I mean, we all know that. Everybody human. I'm not completely on E, but I'm way lower than I want to be. I could literally pull out of here and drive another 45 minutes, which would be risky behavior, but at the same time, you don't want to run your truck low on fuel that often. Now reached our cruising altitude of 70 miles per hour. All systems seem to be working well and in functioning order. If you're in attendance right now, hit the like button, strap on your seatbelts, and enjoy the ride. Oh yeah. So this same anti-gel is $10 more at that Thornton's that I was just at. It's 15 here, 25 there. And the big bottles of the diesel fuel is $3 and some change more there. So this is $15.87 here, and I ain't telling y'all where I'm at because y'all not gonna come and buy all this stuff out, but it's $15.87 here and $25.99 up at Thornton's. Might pull up. Y'all think? all type of money left on the board. Yeah, I don't know what exactly is going on, but for the last 3 hours at least, it's been 15 plus loads just sitting on the board, not being booked, increasing. See what's to this here shortly. So this is what we ended up with. A very light load, to say the least. That was a quick 1 skid drop. So I have a total of 3 preceding stops following that last drop in Morton, Illinois. And the drop in Morton, Illinois was actually my last stop as opposed to my first one. But seeing that my drop time at the stop I'm headed to right now wasn't until 7:07 a.m. And even with me dropping at my final stop first, I still arrive at my next stop by 6:59 a.m. So still 8 minutes early. I didn't see any benefit in passing my final stop in order to get to my first stop early and then having a double back later. So I got a total of 5 scans at this drop location, but it's all on 1 skid. Sweet. Two more stops. And we gonna count this guap. To my 4th stop of 5 here in Kenton. As I got there, the mail truck, which in USPS's mindset takes priority over Amazon. As I'm coming in, they like, "You Amazon?" I'm like, "Yeah." I saw the mail truck pulling up behind me. He was patient, he waited. But they clapping their hands and snapping their fingers saying, "Hey, get in and out, because we need to get that truck in here ASAP." So I'm telling them I got 1 skid, I'm in and out 3 minutes. So I improvised, but Yeah, it took me less than 5 minutes to get in and out. Right now I'm pulling into my final drop location in Lewistown, Illinois. $2.99 a gallon for diesel right now in the Midwest or any surrounding areas. It's a hell of a deal in my opinion. On average, it's $3.25, $3.30 a gallon. Right now, I got a little spot where I found it at for the cheap, but I'm keeping that a secret. I have to require you to book a consultation or 1 hour Zoom call. So on what seems like forever later, I'm finally home. Just as a recap, this trip was a total of 5 stops, a pick, and 4 drops. It went a total of 212 miles for $650. Total payout of $3.06 per mile. And I negotiated this load last minute with the AI feature. But right now it's kind of turning out to be a beautiful day. Seeing the type of weather we've had here in the general area. So I'm right now gonna jump out of the truck, possibly jump on the live. But either way, as usual, you guys stay safe out there. Take it easy and have a good one. Appreciate you.